Get all these prescriptions. Don't you wish you had one thing to replace them all? Now you do. Costume change. This is the immune system.
Is a collection of structures and processes within the body that protects against diseases of other damaging foreign bodies. It identifies a variety of threats, including viruses, bacteria, and parasites, and distinguishes them from the body's own healthy tissue and defends against infections and cancer.
Cancer! The lymphatic system functions as a part of the immune system, transporting lymph, which is fluid containing infection-fighting white blood cells throughout the body. Fun fact. There are 600 to 700 lymph nodes in the body. Lymph nodes and vessels trap bacteria and viruses.
White blood cells attack and destroy bacteria and viruses. White blood cells are also called leukocytes. Leukocytes are disease-fighting white blood cells that identify and eliminate pathogens. They flow through your bloodstream to battle foreign invaders that threaten your health. White blood cells rush to help destroy the harmful substance when your body is in distress and a particular area is under attack. The count is referred to as leukocytosis. White blood cells are produced in the bone marrow and stored in your blood and lymphatic tissues. Because some white blood cells have a short lifespan of 1 to 3 days, your bone marrow is constantly producing them.
Bone marrow is the yellow tissue in the center of bones which produces white blood cells. Spongy tissue inside of some bones, such as hip or thigh bones, contains immature cells called stem cells. Stem cells, especially embryonic stem cells, derived from eggs fertilized in vitro, can morph into any human cell. Bone marrow produces defense cells, which helps aid the immune system. And now, a word from our sponsors. Brought to you by Milkbone, with real bone marrow. Squirrel! The thymus is a small organ in the immune system where T cells mature. T cells are lymphocytes that help destroy infected or cancerous cells. Killer T cells are a subgroup of T cells that kill cells that are infected with viruses and other pathogens, or cells that are otherwise damaged. Helper T cells determine which immune responses the body makes to a particular pathogen. Another type of lymphocyte is a B cell, and B cells make antibodies that attack bacteria and toxins. The thymus is often an overlooked part of the immune system. It is situated beneath the breastbone and can trigger or maintain the production of antibodies. Fun fact. The thymus is somewhat large in infants, grows until puberty, which some guys in our school have not yet hit, then slowly starts to shrink and becomes replaced by fat with age.
The spleen is the largest lymphatic organ in the body. It is situated on the left side under your ribs and above your stomach. It contains white blood cells that fight infection or disease. The spleen helps control the amount of blood in the body and recycles red blood cells. The spleen also filters blood and removes damaged blood cells and platelets.
One type of immune system disease is type 1 diabetes. In type 1 diabetes, the body can no longer make insulin because its immune system has attacked and destroyed the cells where insulin is made. The cause of type 1 diabetes is not entirely clear, but some factors may include genetic risk or environment. My diabetes is getting to me!
Another disease is asthma. Asthma can be caused by respiratory infections such as the common cold. It can also be caused by physical activity, cold air pollutants, and irritants such as smoke. Asthma can usually be managed with rescue inhalers to treat symptoms and controller inhalers that prevent symptoms. Severe cases may require long-acting inhalers that keep the airways open, as well as oral steroids.
And that was the immune system, brought to you by Nicole
and Devani.
It's lit.